Okay, so good morning. So let us start from our set of questions that we have just received. Okay, so before a few days and it is marko रोकिएको थियो. Okay, so let us solve कस्तो कस्तो के गर्यो तिमीहरूले. Okay, अब हेरौँ त के गर्यो तिमीहरूले. So take out a book. Okay, so take out a question paper if you have the so take out a copies, pen, calculator, everything. Okay, so हामी solve गरौँ ढल्केर मात्रै हेर्ने हैन. Okay, so number 1A. So if the initial price, okay, so initial price of the article, okay, कुनै एउटा सामानको price चाहिँ P छ अरे. Okay, so always in question number 1A, formula is asked. एउटा formula सोध्छ तिमीलाई. And the annual rate of the compound depreciation. Okay, so यो कुन के को question हो भनेर एकलाई चाहिँ फरक पढ्ने कला. Okay, so depreciation को question रहेछ and that percentage is R percentage. So what will be the price of the article after n years? Okay, so write it भनेछ. So what will be the price after depreciation after some years भनेछ. So that you are asked to find out. Okay, so initial price लाई के भन्ने हामी initial price भनेको P0 भन्ने के P1 भन्ने त. Okay, so there are two things, there are two prices. So one is the initial price. Okay, so अब तिम्रो price before change भन्छ कि price be after change भन्छ. Okay, त्यसमा चाहिँ फरक पर्ने हो. Okay, so what will be the price of the article after भनेको छ. After n years भनेपछि so तिम्रो कुनै एउटा time पछाडी change भएको छ. Okay, so सुरुमा चाहिँ so P भन्ने price थियो अरे. Okay, so rupees P थियो अरे. Okay, so after change भनेछ भने चाहिँ so the price has already been changed. Okay, so price change भइसकेछ. घटिसकेपछि कति price हुन्छ भन्छ, that is P1. Okay, सुरुलाई P0, लास्टलाई P1 भन्ने. Okay, so before change भनेको भए चाहिँ यो P0 हुन्थ्यो, यो P1 हुन्थ्यो. किनभने यो सुरुमा आउँथ्यो, यो लास्टमा आउँथ्यो. That means जुन सुरुमा आउँछ त्यसलाई P0 भन्ने, जुन लास्टमा आउँछ त्यसलाई P1 भन्ने. Okay, and so we need the depreciation rate. So the rate is given R percentage and time is given how much after how many years? N years. That means time is given N years. So what is the formula of depreciation? So P1 equals to P0, 1 minus R by 100 power T. Right? So this is going to be the formula. So let us use the value. So P1 भनेको त P1 नै छँदैछ. Okay, so P1 निकाल्नु भनेछ, त्यही भएर P1 लेख्ने equals to P0 भनेको के छ त P छ. So let us write on P. So bracket. So this is 1. Okay, so let us write on 1 minus rate. Rate कति दिएको छ? R नै दिएको छ. R divided by 100. And what is the value of time? Time is given as N. So let us write on N. So this is our formula. Okay, LCM के गर्नु पर्दैन, यतिकै छोडिदिँदाखेरि भयो. Okay, so that is the formula. That is the formula of question number 1A. Okay, you need to show it in this way. Always in question number 1A, formula of say so you need to be prepared for that one. Okay, so number 2, number B, 1B. So if
yes.
Okay, so 1B. Okay, so if one side of an equilateral triangle is a centimeter. Okay, so second price is the area of triangle. So either area of isosceles triangle, area of equilateral triangle, area of scalene triangle. Okay, so if equilateral triangle is asked, then what is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square, isn't it? Okay, so you चाहिँ याद गरिराख्नु है, फर्मुलाहरु चाहिँ you must know it. Formula paper कहाँ छ त्यो पढौँ एकला मजाले पढौँ. So math is nothing if you know the formula. So if one side of the equilateral triangle is a centimeter, that means if a triangle is given, equilateral triangle is given. So if an equilateral triangle is given, then you sub side cancer, they are going to be equal to each other. Okay, so they are going to be equal to each other, and all the sides are given a centimeter. You're a भनेपछि सबै a नै हुन्छ हैन. So side of the triangle is given a centimeter. So area of equilateral triangle, okay, equals to question mark. So हामीलाई थाहा छैन हरे, and find the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so what is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. So a को value के छ? A नै छ. So let us write on root 3 by 4 a square. This is going to be our answer. So 1 mark आयो फेरि. Okay, so in this way we need to solve it. So side मा तिम्रो triangle पनि एकला बनाऊ. Okay, so triangle बनाउने, so dash 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 गर्ने a. Okay, so in this way we need to solve number B also, 1B also. Okay, so let us go to the next number then. So 2A. Okay, so find the source. So find the source of this root under 3. So root 3 13. Okay, So last time also I've told you that indices means power. Okay, indices भनेको power हो. कतिको power. Okay, so that is the indices. भने source भनेको root under हो. के को root under? Okay, so this is the root under of 3. Okay, that means source भनेको what is the order of source भन्छ नि यो कतिको root हो 3 को. That means the sort of okay, the sort of root under 313 is 3. Okay, you कतिको root हो 3 को. Suppose if there is square root, then you 2 को square root हो. If there is 5, okay, root 5 यता 5 पट 5 ले root को power 5 भनेछ भने यो 5 हो. Okay, so suppose तिम्रो indices सोधेको छ अरे. Okay, so if indices is given, then so how to find out the value of indices भन्छ भने चाहिँ so 13 power 5 छ अरे. 13 power 5 छ भने indices चाहिँ 5 हुन्छ. Indices भनेको power हो, source भनेको root under हो. Okay, so root under is 3, so let's write down 3. So this is our answer. 1 marks यतिकै आयो तिमीहरुको within one line. Okay, so next one. So if n, f and m of a group data are given, then what is the formula of finding mean? Okay, so तिमीहरुको n term पनि दिएको छ, f पनि दिएको छ, m पनि दिएको छ भने so तिमीहरुको group data अरे. Okay, so group data. So तिमीहरुको fx हरु हुन्थ्यो नि. Okay, so in the similar way त्यसरी group दिएको छ भने चाहिँ okay, so 10 to 20 20 30 वाला छ भने चाहिँ so कसरी find गर्छौ अरे formula, find the formula of mean. So what is the formula of mean? Summation f by n लेख्थ्यौ हैन. So but if there is group data, that means तिमीहरुको x पनि छ भने summation f x by n लेख्थ्यौ. हो. Okay न. Okay, but here there is a mid value m पनि दिएको छ है, mid value दिएको छ. So के हुन्छ formula summation fm by n हुन्छ, isn't it? So what is the formula of mean? Mean को formula के हुन्छ summation fm by n हुन्छ है. So if there is x in place of m, if there is x given, what will be the formula summation fx by n. Okay, so if there is n and f only, n र f मात्रै छ भने के हुन्छ formula summation f by n हुन्छ. Okay, sorry f त हुँदैन, x र n दिएको छ भने चाहिँ summation x अनि n मात्र दिएको छ भने summation x by n हुन्छ formula. Okay, so हाम्रो formula थाहा होला. So mean को formula के हो summation x by n थियो, summation fx by n थियो, अर्को formula summation fm by n थियो नि त. So if तिमीहरुको m दिएको छ भने summation fm by n लेख्दिने है. So that will be your answer. Number 3. So what? Write down the relationship between the area of triangle standing on the same base and between same parallel line. Okay, question बुझेको बुझेन तिमीलाई थाहा भएन. Okay, so relation त लेख्नु भन्छ के को relation लेख्नु भनेको छ. Okay, so अलिकति confused छ त. So write down the relationship between area of triangle standing on the same base and between same parallel line. यो ट्रायंगल चाहिँ कोसँग इक्वल छ भनेर दिएको छ. ओके, सो त्यो अलिकति कन्फ्युज दियो. ओके, अब नेपालीमा पढौँ त. एउटै आधार र उही समान्तर रेखाहरू बीच ओके रहेका त्रिभुजहरूको, दैट मीन्स देयर आर हाउ मेनी ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर? 2 ट्रायंगल्स. यता त एस छुटेको भइरहेछ. Okay, sometimes you need to see in Nepali also. Okay, so write down the relationship between the area of triangles. Okay, that means 2 triangles are given. So what is the relation between 2 triangles if they are standing on the same base and between same parallel line? Okay, so duita triangles are, if they are standing on the same base and between same parallel line, what is the relation? Triangle to triangle kama kisa relation? They are equal, isn't it? So area of triangle is equal to area of next triangle. Okay, so area of triangle is equal to area of next triangle. Why it is equal to each other? Because standing on same base and between same parallel lines. Okay, so that's why they are equal to each other. Okay, so 3. So area of triangle is equal to area of next triangle because standing on same base and between same parallel lines. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go to the next number 3b. So in the given figure, so what is the relationship between angle ABD? Okay, so the relation दिएको छ भने अतपत. So what let us do? Let us stick this value. कहाँ छ यो? Okay, so ABD भनेको कता छ, ACD भनेको कता छ, एकलाई पत्ता लगाऊ. So ABD So ABD, ABD, that means this angle, right? ABD. And where is the next angle? ACD, ACD, this angle. That means what is the relation between this angle and this angle? They are inscribed angle, isn't it? So they are inscribed angle. U angle and U angle, this angle and this angle, they are inscribed angle. Okay. So what is the relationship? Relation here. You barabaro. Okay, they are equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angle. Okay. So suppose sometimes timarko relation is if cyclic quadrilateral आछ भने so opposite angle equal हुन्छ कि their sum is equal to 180 degree, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Relationship लेख्नु भनेछ भने angle B plus angle D equals to 180 degree being cyclic quadrilateral यसरी लेख्नु पर्छ. Okay, जहिले पनि equal to नै हुन्छ भने के छैन. So their sum may be equal to 180 degree also. Okay, so त्यसरी पनि लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. यता sum simple तरिकाले छ यसको दुईटाको relationship के हो. So they are equal to each other because they are inscribed angle. Finished. Okay, so in this way we need to solve from number 1 to number 3b. Okay, so if we have come just now, I will send you the recorded version also. Okay, so let us go for the next number. Okay, so for is simple. Okay, so if pound sterling, pound 20. Okay, so this is the chain rule wala question. So in case of this chain rule wala question, so pound 20 equals to, so it is equal to American dollar 30. American dollar 30 लेख्दिने. यता डलर लेख्छ भने यता पनि के लेख्नु पर्यो, डलर नै लेख्नु पर्यो. ओके, सो जुन एन्ड भएको छ त्यो लाइनलाई स्टार्टिङ गर्ने. ओके, डलर लेख्ने. अब डलर खोज्ने कहाँ छ डलर. ओके, डलर यही रहेछ. डलर 15 इक्वल्स टु NRS, that means Nepali rupees 1650. So that means dollar 15 equals to rupees 1650. So dollar 15 equals to 1650 लेख्ने है. So यता रुपीस लेखेपछि यता पनि रुपीस चाहिँ लेख्नु पर्यो. ओके, सो रुपीस कहाँ छ रुपीस खोज्ने अब. रुपीस. ओके, रुपीस इज गिवन. सो 13200 13200 इक्वल्स टु, अब यो रुपीस भनेको केसँग एन्डिङ गर्ने भन्दाखेरि लास्टमा के छ पाउन्ड छ नि त. सुरुमा पाउन्ड छ भने लास्टमा नि पाउन्डबाट नै एन्डिङ गर्नु पर्यो. ओके, सो पाउन्ड लेख्ने तिमीहरू. ओके, पाउन्ड लेख्ने. अब पाउन्ड कति दिएको छ नि त. So how many pound भनेछ, that means pound is not given, let us suppose it as x. बुझ्यो हैन. So pound बाट स्टार्ट गरेछ नि पाउन्ड बाट एन्डिङ हुनु पर्यो. So pound छ, डलर छ त. ओके, डलर को रिलेशनशिप छ. So डलर छ भने you need to start from dollar. So dollar 15 equals to कति दिएको छ. So रुपीस सँग रिलेसन छ. So if it is ending at rupees, you need to see rupees only. Okay, so if this is the last sentence, then what you need to do, so the starting currency will be the ending currency. That means so pound बाट start भएको छ नि pound बाट नै ending हुनु पर्यो. Okay, so pound कति छ खोज्ने है. So if it is not given, so let us suppose it as x. है. Now so let us use the chain rule. है, chain rule use गर्नु पर्यो. So 20 into 15 into 13200 equals to 30 into 1650. So let us multiply this side into this side. Okay, this side यसरी multiply गरे, यसरी multiply गरे, and finally you are going to get the answer. So multiply gara. So let us multiply yata gayeपछि divide हुन्छ. So we'll divide this number. So x will be equal to 80. X will be equal to 80, and so x भने के छ यता कहाँ छ त्यो सेन्टेन्स कता छ x भनेर यतापट्टि छ. Therefore rupees 13200 equals to pound x ठाउँमा के लेख्ने 80 लेख्दिने. Therefore rupees 13200 equals to, okay, so pound extra value के छ 80 छ. Let us write down 80. Okay, so in this way we need to end it. So x जदा सुके होस् त्यो सेन्टेन्स लेख्ने है. So we need to write down in that way. So this is of number 4a. Okay, so let us go to next number. So 2 years ago, okay, so time is given 2 years. So 2 years ago the population of a village is 16,000 rupees. Okay, sorry, not rupees, so 16,000. That means 2 वर्ष पछाडी यसरी अगाडि. Okay, so population before change भने नि त यो 2 वर्ष अगाडिको population, it is 16,000. Okay, so whether it is P0 or P1 we don't know. So let us not write anything. Okay, on case of यो ब्र्याकेटमा के लेख्ने ओके सो त्यसलाई एकछिन छोड्दिने ओके अब त्यसपछि के छ त भन्दाखेरि population growth rate, that means rate is given 5%. What will be the population at present? That means अहिलेको population, initial population चाहिँ कति छ यो पत्ता लगाउनु भनेछ. So before 2 years अगाडि आउँछ कि अहिलेको population, that means before 2 years भनेको 2070 अहिले 78 हैन, so 76 को population हो. Okay, so initial भनेको current population भनेको अहिलेको 78 को population. So कुन अगाडि आउँछ त population before 2 years अगाडि आउँछ, that means this is going to be P0. Okay, initial भनेको अहिलेको current population चाहिँ के हुन्छ त present population चाहिँ it is going to be P1. Suppose यता population after 2 years भनेछ रे. Okay, after 2 years भनेपछि त 78 चलिरहेछ भने त्यो कति हुन्छ त कति सालको population हुन्छ 80 सालको population हुन्छ. So 80 साल will come first or so 78 population will come first. That is 80 years को population पछाडी आउँछ 78 अगाडि आउँछ. That means initial चाहिँ P0 हुन्छ. Okay, so after भनेछ भने त्यो पछाडीको population हो P1 लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. यता before 2 years लेछ. Okay, so 2 वर्ष अगाडिको population लाई के गर्ने P0 मान्ने, सुरुको लाई P0 मान्ने, लास्ट को लाई P1 मान्ने. Okay, initial भन्दा त सुरुकै जस्तो देखिन्छ तर यता before छ त्यही भएर यसलाई P1 यसलाई P0 मानौ. Okay, now after that so 16,000 will be the initial population, sorry population before 2 years, and initial population is P1. Okay, so that is given as question mark, rate is given 5%. So our P1 is how much? So what is the formula of P1? So P1 equals to P0 1 plus R by 100 power T. So P0 is given 16,000. So bracket 1 plus rate is given how much? 5 divided by 100. Okay, so power time is given 2 years. So let us multiply them. Okay, so let us do the calculation. So 100 plus 5, it will be 105 divided by 100. 105 divided by 100, 1.05 square. Okay, so it's so if we use the calculator, it becomes 1.1025 into 16,000, it becomes 17640. Okay, this is going to be the answer. Okay, so hope your answers are getting correct. Okay, so तिमीको सेन्टरमा जे एन्सर ल्याएछौ त्यही एन्सर नै आइरहेको होला. Hope. Okay. Okay, so let us go to the next number. Okay, let me go to the next number. Number 5A. Okay, the side, 3 sides of a triangle are given as 12 centimeters, 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter respectively. Find the area of triangle. Okay, so triangle is given. So triangle is given and their sides are given. Okay, so triangles, you're a triangle, and your triangle ma, there are different sides given. So one of the side is given 12 centimeter. Next side is given 16 centimeter. Okay, and next side is given 20 centimeter. If none of the sides are equal, then what we call it? So it is not called equivalent triangle. It is not called isosceles triangle. It is called scalene triangle. Okay, if none of the sides of a triangle are equal, then they are called scalene triangle. And in case of scalene triangle, okay, so what is going to be the formula of area of triangle of scalene triangle? It is going to be so root under s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So s भनेको कति हो त त्यो त थाहा छैन हामीलाई. So let us find out that first. So semi perimeter निकाल्नु पर्यो. Okay, that means s निकाल्नु पर्यो पहिला. So s, what is the formula of s? S means a plus b plus c divided by 2. So equilateral triangle पत्ता लगाऊ भने भाइ root 3 by 4 a square को formula लाउने गर्ने. Okay, so तिमीहरुको isosceles triangle भएको थियो अरे, suppose two sides equal थियो भने isosceles triangle को formula के हो? b by 4 root under 4a square minus b square हुन्थ्यो formula. Isn't it? Formula याद कतिको याद छ तिमीहरुलाई? Please learn the formula daily. अलिअलि गर्दै पढौं formula. Okay, so that will be helpful for you. Lifetime सम्मको लागि help हुन्छ तिमीहरुलाई है. Formula याद हुनु पर्यो. Okay, so ABC is given. So let us use the value of ABC. So same perimeter means a plus b plus c divided by 2. So put the value equals to, so LI divide by 2 गरेर 24 centimeter हुन्छ. Okay, so that is going to be the value of semi perimeter. Now let us find out the area of triangle. So area of triangle means root under s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S भनेको कति अरे 24. So the bracket S भनेको 24 minus A means 12. Okay, so 24 minus B means 16. So 24 minus C means how much? 20. Right? So put the value. After putting the values, let us multiply them. So 24 into, so 12, 24 minus 12. 12 huncha 24 minus 16. 8 huncha 24 minus 20. Okay, so it becomes 4. Right? Multiply them. So 9216 huncha. Okay, so what is the root under of 9216? It becomes 96. Okay, and we are finding the area, so it becomes square centimeter. So 96 square centimeter is going to be the answer of this number. Hope तिमीहरुको मिल्यो होला है. Okay, let me go to the next number. Okay, so 5B. Okay, so in case of number 5B, in question number 5B, so if the volume of sphere is given, okay, so volume of sphere, the value of volume of sphere is given as 288 pi. 288 pi cubic centimeter, find the radius. Just formula on your calculation. Okay, so volume of sphere is given as 288 pi cubic centimeter, radius equals to question mark. So volume of sphere is given 288 pi. So let us use the okay, so let us use the formula of volume of sphere. So volume of sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if this was so hemisphere could say 2 by 3 pi r cube huntyo bhane volume of sphere ko 4 by 3 pi r cube huncha hai. So if there is already pi, so no need to use the value of pi. Okay, pi bhaneko 22 by 7 ya pani 22 by 7 yata lagne kehi nagarne. Okay, so pi and pi, let us cancel them. Okay, so pi is already pi is cancel gardine pi cancel garo. Right? So let us take this, divide this side and multiply this side. So divide and multiply huncha, multiply divide huncha. Right? So divide garo, multiply garo. So after that you are going to get 216. Okay, so 288 into 3 by 4, it becomes 216. Okay, so 216 go away the cube, so the cube root nikalne, square root nikalne. Okay, so if there is cube, then let us find out the cube root. So you use your calculator and find out the value of 216. Cube root of 216, it becomes 6. Okay, let me show you because 6 cube racer. Okay, hope you know how to use the calculator. Okay, so the cubes are then cubes. So let us cancel this cube and cube. So what is the value of radius? So radius is going to be 6 centimeter. Okay, so fully this cube pani answer right भयो होला. Okay, so paper kata gayo थाहा छैन कुन स्कुल पुग्यो. So maybe you all have done correct. Okay, so let us go to the next number. सक्यो होला यो. Okay, so let me go to the next number. Okay, so 55C. Okay, so figure is not given, so it is better to draw the figure. I'm less on say figure banaya. So the three sides of a triangular base of a prism, triangular base wala prism banane, triangle. Okay, so let us make the triangular base wala prism. This is the triangular prism. Okay, now so written the name of principal R. Okay, so your principal okay, so I also have heard this for the first time. Okay, so यो छोड्दिनेलाई जेसिक्योस प्रिन्सिपल अनि के हो थाहा छैन. Okay, so let us leave it. Okay, so after that what is given? The तीनटा side triangle को तीनटा side के देखेछ. So 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm is given. Okay, so triangle मा त्यो तीनटा side देखेछ. 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. Right? And if the length of the prism, that means the length of the prism is given 15 centimeters. So find the lateral surface area, means LSA निकाल्नु भनेको छ. Okay, so so what is the formula of LSA of prism? So हामी side मा लेखिहालौं त. LSA of prism को formula के हो? Perimeter of triangle into height of prism हो, isn't it? Okay, so LSA को formula के हो, PSA को formula के हो, volume को के हो, so that you need to know it. है, तिमीहरु थाहा हुनु पर्यो है. So पर्छ के हुन्छ भने पहिला perimeter of triangle निकाल्ने सुरुमा. Okay, so यता फर्मुलामा एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल छ नि एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल निकाल्ने सुरुमा किन एरिया अफ ट्रायंगलको फर्मुला अलिकति अर्कै हुन्छ ओके सो वी नीड टु फाइन्ड आउट द एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल फर्स्ट है सो एलएसए यता पेरिमिटर अफ ट्रायंगल इन्टु हाइट अफ प्रिजम छ इट्स अ फर्मुला ओके सो पेरिमिटर भनेको त a + b + c नै हो सो a + b + c जुनलाई पनि a मान्दा भयो ओके सो वी नीड टु राइट डाउन द भ्यालु फर्स्ट गिवन फर्स्ट सो 4 5 and 6 इज गिवन सो ट्रायंगलको भ्यालु a भनेको 4 b भनेको 5 and c भनेको 6 सेन्टिमिटर छ लेन्थ अफ प्रिजम लेन्थ हाइट अफ प्रिजम अदर्स लेन्थ अफ प्रिजम इज गिवन 15 सेन्टिमिटर ओके सो हाम्रो फर्मुला के अरे पेरिमिटर अफ ट्रायंगल इन्टु हाइट अफ प्रिजम पेरिमिटरको फर्मुला के हो पेरिमिटर मीन्स सम अफ अल साइड a + b + c हुन्छ पेरिमिटर अफ ट्रायंगल भनेको a + b + c हुन्छ इन्टु हाइट अफ प्रिजम कति छ 15 छ सो l भनेको 15 ओके सो पेरिमिटरको फर्मुला त थोरै छ सानो छ सो यही फर्मुलामा एट्याच गर्दा मिल्यो तर एरिया छ TSA मा त एरिया पनि चाहिन्छ ओके सो एरिया छ भने सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी नीड टु डु वी नीड टु फाइन्ड आउट द एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल फर्स्ट ओके पेरिमिटर अफ ट्रायंगल चाहिँ यसरी एक लाइनमा आउँदैन we need to find out the area of triangle separately then only we can do it right so perimeter of triangle भनेको a + b + c into height of prism भनेको 15 छ so let us write on l okay l suppose गर्छ यसलाई l suppose गरौँ so a the value of a is given 4 centimeter the value of b is given 5 centimeter the value of c is given 6 centimeter into l is given how much 15 centimeter okay so 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 that means let us use the value of a plus b plus c 4 plus 5 plus 6 into l is given how much 15 so let us add them it becomes 15 into 15 so 15 so 2 to 5 cubic square centimeter is going to be the answer it's LSA so a for area so area ma square huncha okay so 2 to 5 square centimeter is going to be the answer of this number okay so यो चाहिँ तिमीहरुको रफमा गरेकै हो LSA भनेको LSA को फर्मुला के हो भनेर टक्क याद गर्यो भने यसरी लेख्यो भने सो हामीले के चाहिन्छ त यसमा यो फर्मुलाको लागि के चाहिन्छ that will be very much helpful for us okay एरिया छ भने एरिया निकाल्ने पहिला पेरिमिटर त एक लाइनमा भइहाल्छ ओके सो हाइट अफ प्रिजम पनि चाहिँदो रहेछ ओके इन दैट वे वी क्यान गेट द आइडिया ल अब 10 मिनेट बाँकी छ केटाकेटी आउँदैछन् के गरौँ होला यिनीहरूले अफलाइन भिडियो हेर्छ है अब एड गरिने okay so number 6a look at number 6a so 2 cube root under 8 plus 3 root under 16 plus u so 3 root under 27 is there so यसरी दिएको छ भने so how to solve this number so let me little bit zoom it okay अब यो यता रुट छ यता छैन स्क्वायर रुट्स मात्रै छ यता रुट छ ला अब यो त रङ छ अब यो क्वेशनै रङ छ होला भनेर कसैले गरेन होला कसैले त गर्यो होला सजिलो मानेर गर्यो होला ओके सो 2 लेख्ने इन्टु लेख्ने सिम्पल भेरी सिम्पल ओके सो 2 लेखौं इन्टु लेखौं अनि 8 भनेको कति हो सो 8 means it is 2 cube isn't it यता क्यूब छ भने रुट अन्डर रुट 3 छ भने so let us find the cube root so 8 means 2 cube okay so there is cube so cube and cube root will be cancelled okay so there is square root means let us find out the square root of this number 16 ko square root kati ho 4 square okay so that means let us use the 4 square and square root will be cancelled right so this root is also cancelled at the root 3 sorry so 27 so is this the cube root number yes it is the cube root of 3 so that means it is 3 cube right so cube and cube root will be cancelled right so after that so what we need to write down so 2 into 2 plus so 3 into 4 plus so 3 into 3 okay whatever the numbers are there okay so out of the root okay so root bada jun bahira niskesa त्यसलाई यसरी लेखौं okay so 2 into 2 it becomes 4 so 2 into 3 it becomes 12 and 3 into 3 it becomes 9 okay so in this way let us add them and 25 is going to be the answer so very simply we are so in the simple way we are going to get the answer okay right गरे तिमीले so cube root छ भने cube root निकाल्न square root छ भने square root निकाल cube root छ भने cube root निकाल अनि solve it very simple okay okay अब अर्को प्रब्लम तिमीहरुको सोधेको थियो. Okay, so I'm not going to come in all the examination of yours. Okay, so same type तिमीहरुको first time होला history. Okay, so स्कुलमै भएको भनेर. So I have not given you the hints of it. So आफै गर भनेर छोडिया थियो. Okay, so हेरौँ यता. अब यता रुट क्युब रुट छ, यता 16 छ. अब तिमीलाई टेन्सन भयो, कसैले गरेन होला है. So how to solve it? यता त गाह्रो छ. अब क्युब रुट क्युबिङ बोथ द साइड गर्ने कि स्क्वायरिङ बोथ द साइड गर्ने त ओके भन्छ भने. सो सिम्पल तरिकाले दिइराछ. सो रुट अन्डर 3x इज गिवन. ओके, क्युब रुट x इज गिवन इक्वल्स टु 16 भने दिएको छ. अब स्क्वायर रुट लिने कि क्युब रुट लिने त भन्छ भने यो 16 भनेको स्क्वायर नम्बर हो नि त. यो हटाइदिने नि यसको स्क्वायर रुट. ओके, सो स्क्वायर रुट इज गिवन. द्याट मिन्स सो 16 मिन्स इट इज 4 स्क्वायर. Square and square root will be cancelled. Okay, so root 3, so cube root x equals to, it becomes 4. अब the root hot in the, okay, so what we can do now, we can do the cubing both the side. If there was square root थियो भने यता squaring both the side गर्नु पर्थ्यो. Okay, so cubing both the side गर्ने, so to remove this root under cube root under. Okay, so cubing both the side गरौँ. So यहाँ पनि cube लगाइदिउँ, यता पनि cube लगाइदिउँ. So cube and cube root will be cancelled. Equals to, so 4 cube means it becomes 64, and that is going to be the answer. 2 marks त्यतिकै आउँथ्यो. Got it? कतिको राइट बनाए तिमीले? Oh, very 7. Okay, so 7 is here. Okay, so 7 in number. So you open simple हुन्छ. Just I have 5 minutes left now. Okay, so simplification. So 5 power n plus 2 minus n power n, 5 power n divided by 6 into 5 power n. Okay, so this is our formula. So this is our question. So के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि यसलाई छुटाउनु पर्यो पहिला. Okay, so 5 power n into, if there was minus sign, divide मा लेख्नु पर्थ्यो, तर यता प्लस छ त्यही भएर इन्टु मा लेख्ने. So 5 square minus 5 power n divided by 6 into 5 power n. है. So yes, यो टाइपको क्वेसन के गर्नु पर्थ्यो, माइनस साइन प्लस साइन छ भने त्यसमा कमन लिनु पर्थ्यो. ओके, सो 5 power n दे आर कमन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 5 स्क्वायर इज लेफ्ट माइनस व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 1 इज लेफ्ट डिवाइडेड बाइ, यता त केही पनि छैन, प्लस माइनस छैन. सो लेट अस नट यूज एनी कमन ओभर हियर. सो 6 into 5n. So 5 power n will be cancelled. So 5 square is 25 minus 1 divided by 6. So 25 minus 1 भनेको 24 divided by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is how much? It becomes 4. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve this number. Okay, so अगाडि नै भनिहालौँ. So the classes, math class, otherwise the account class, it is going to be started from 6:20. Okay, so please be available on the starting time. Okay, ending time होइन, starting time है आउँ है. And please inform all the students. Okay, so let me go for the next number. Hope it is completed. 7B सम्म मात्रै गरौँ आज. So after that भोलि गरौँला remaining number. अब झन् गाह्रो क्वेसनहरु आउँदैछ. So please be available. Okay, so solve गरिसकौँ तिमीहरु पनि. So question paper निकाल्ने, solve गर्ने. Okay, so whatever you don't know, त्यसपछि त्यसलाई चेक गर्दा अब, isn't it? Right? So 7B number. So here let us write down the question. So p power a power this is given into this. Okay, so these are the questions. These are simple questions. So all the bases are same. In case of multiplication sign, the power is going to be added. So p minus q, so multiply my plus kardine. So q minus r. Okay, and in case of division, the power is going to be changed. That means the power is going to be minus. Divide my power minus huncha. Minus भनेको just change the sign. So plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, so plus r minus r will be cancelled. Plus p minus p will be cancelled. Plus q and minus q will be cancelled. That means a power 0 means 1. Okay, this is going to be the answer. Simple, isn't it? Okay, so 2 marks. You have 1 marks on calculation, so 2 marks my answer. Okay, so we are getting the marks over here. 2 marks again, we got it. Okay, so this is the answer of number 7B. Okay, so 7C पनि सकाइहालौँ ल. Okay, so यो पनि तिमीहरुले गरे कि गरेन, I doubt on this number. So if the sum of the number and half of it is 30. Okay, so sum of number लेख्यो, half of it लेख्यो, अब टेन्सन भयो के लेख्ने अब है. So maybe most of you have not done the answer of this one. Okay, if you have done it, very good. My students are very good. Okay, so if you have not done, look at here. So let the number be x over here first. Okay, so your number matre bhaneko cha, 2-digit number bhaneko chaina, ke bhaneko chaina, just number दिएको छ. Okay, how many numbers? So if the sum of number and half of it, okay, if the sum of two numbers bhaneko chaina, number एउटा मात्रै number को कुरा गरिरहेको छ, that means, so what is the number of here? X is the number. Okay, so let us suppose let the number be x. यो हाफलाई चाहिँ के गर्ने त्यसो भए भन्छ भने, सो यसको के हुन्छ त, द सम अफ नम्बर एन्ड हाफ अफ इट, सम भनेको प्लस गर्ने नम्बर र त्यसको त्यो नम्बरको हाफ के गर्ने त, नम्बर अनि त्यो नम्बरको हाफलाई प्लस गर्यो भने इट बिकम्स 30 अरे. सिम्पल तरिकाले दिइराछ त. द सम अफ भनेको प्लस गर्ने, दुईटा नम्बरलाई प्लस गर्ने, कुन नम्बरलाई प्लस गर्ने त, द सम अफ नम्बर, नम्बर भनेको x, let the number be x भनेपछि नम्बर x हो भने प्लस हाफ अफ इट, इट भनेको नम्बर, त्यही नम्बरको हाफ. ओके, त्यही नम्बरको हाफ भनेपछि, सो इफ देयर वाज 10 then 10/2 भनेको 5 हुन्थ्यो, ओके नि त. सो त्यही नम्बर मिन्स x, x को आधीलाई प्लस गर्यो भने इट बिकम्स 30. ओके, दिस वाज द सिम्पल क्वेसन वाज गिवन एन्ड मोस्ट अफ यु के गरेर थाहा छैन. ओके, सो लेट अस टेक द एलसीएम. सो 2 will be the LCM, so 2 will multiply this side, so 2x plus x, okay, divided by 2, so 2 will multiply this side, it becomes 60, and so 2 plus 2x plus x, it becomes 3x. So when 3 goes this side, it will be divide side. Okay, so 60 divided by 3, it becomes 20. So the number is 20 over here. Okay, so के भन्नु खोजेको रहेछ भन्दाखेरि, so 20 plus 20 को आधी कति हो, half of 20 is 10. Okay, 20 plus 10 30. Okay, यसरी हुँदो रहेछ. Get it? So 7 6 सम्म आज गर्यौं. So tomorrow we'll continue from 8A and all. Right? Okay, so tomorrow please be on time. And those who have come a little bit late, okay, so I'll send you the recorded version also. Please see the recorded version. So the recorded नै सुन्छु म, पछि नै आउँछु भन्छ भने it's okay. Okay, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the online classes. Okay, so the record version मा त just तिमीहरुले भिडियो मात्र सुन्छ होला, अडियो मात्र सुन्छ होला, तिमीहरुको डाउट क्लियर हुँदैन. So please be present during the online class. Okay, so thank you for today. Okay, so bye bye.
Bye, sir.
So please be on time. Recorded पढाउँछु तिमीहरुको जो जो दिलास.